all of you know that FABA, the Federation of Asian Biotechnology Associations, representing more than 20 Asian countries, is one of the host organizations for this conference. It is its flagship event. Apart from that, the FABA also holds international conferences. Last year we had two important conferences held at Hyderabad. As far as the organization of BioAsia is concerned, it's a very unique organization structure we have. The FABA, the Government of Andhra Pradesh, Pharma Export Council of Government of India are the three partners in organizing this event every year. The Government of Andhra Pradesh has been giving unstinted support to this organization right from its inception almost a decade back. This is in terms of content, it's a business cum techno-scientific conference with participation not only from Asian countries, including India, and also other parts of the world. We give special focus to the industries which are located in the Genome Valley in Hyderabad, and a special visit to all the participants is arranged every year to see almost more than 120 biotech units here. The program of this conference consists of technical sessions, panel interactions, CEO conclave to take some of the policy decisions related to biopharmaceuticals and other biotechnology products. There is an exhibition and also a special visit to the Genome Valley industries in Hyderabad. This BioAsia has registered an exponential growth right from its inception. Today, we have participation almost touching 500 and also representing nearly 45 countries. The theme of this year's conference is very special. It is biologics and biosimilars. These are very special biomolecules which have similar or even much better activities as compared to chemical drug molecules which all of us are familiar with. So this conference is going to look at the growth prospects of this, not only India but also elsewhere in the world, techno-managerial issues connected with this field, and also regulatory challenges. There is a special meeting of regulators from various countries to discuss the biopharmaceutical regulatory issues. This is for the first time we are holding in the BioAsia event. There are a number of overseas countries sent their delegations. We are very happy that we have delegations from Spain as well as South Korea and also other countries representing not only Europe but also